Why platform engineering is essential. Imagine trying to cook a large meal with all your family members in the kitchen, each using their favorite recipe, tools, and ingredients. Chaos, right? Today, many software companies have this problem. Teams attempting to work with different tools and methods, creating chaos that is difficult to clean up and slowing everyone down. But what if one could organize the kitchen and provide shared tools to facilitate easier cooking for everyone? That's the job of platform engineering. The problem: too much glue, too many choices. Okay, let's talk about your kitchen again. You've added more gadgets, blenders, air fryers, mixers. They are all super helpful, but trying to use all of them at once can be a puzzle. In the software world, we refer to this puzzle as glue, which is those custom fixes and patches that teams put together to tie up tools and systems. This glue just makes everything sticky and tough to switch up. Like, if you really want to upgrade your blender, you might realize this doesn't vibe with your old mixer anymore. This goes down when teams make calls without working together. Before you know it, your kitchen, or in our case, the software system, is all bogged down with complexity. Platform engineering, the kitchen organizer. Platform engineering is like hiring a chef who organizes your kitchen. This chef provides shared tools and recipes that everyone can use. The key idea is to reduce the mess while still allowing people to cook what they want. So, instead of everyone bringing their own tools, the chef just sets up a bunch of really good appliances. The chef comes up with simple recipes that anyone in the family can use. And if someone's feeling adventurous and wants to whip up something new, they don't have to stress about it. They can totally count on the chef for help. In software, platform engineers build systems that make the work of the developers lighter. They come up with shared resources, like self-service APIs and automation tools, thus making it easy for teams to concentrate on their task without minding the complex system they would have worked on. Suppose your family kitchen now has a shared pantry, labeled containers, and instructions for using appliances. Suddenly, cooking becomes faster, and arguments about missing tools disappear. Similarly, in software, platform engineering reduces the time and effort developers spend on maintenance, freeing them to focus on creating features that users love. Daily life analogy: platform versus DIY. Imagine streaming movies. When companies like Netflix select the content, you don't have to go searching for each movie online, figure out how to play it, or worry about the quality. Netflix makes it smooth, just like how platform engineering helps out developers. Without these platforms, developers would be like people trying to find and download movies on their own. A super annoying and slow process. So what's the big deal about innovation? Some might worry, won't platforms stifle creativity? Not even close. Imagine you want to try a new recipe that the shared kitchen plan doesn't have. The chef inspires you to experiment. Then, if it's a smash hit, they add to the menu for everyone in the kitchen. Platform engineers allow teams to explore ideas and tools when necessary by integrating the best ones they find into the platform for everyone. Conclusion: platform engineering is about tidying up the messy issues of software systems that accompany today's software. Tidy up your kitchen, and your team speed up, get less frustrated, and creative juices can start to flow. So, whether whipping up a family dinner or putting together some software, having a shared, well-run platform is the ingredient that makes everything work out. Thank you for watching this video.